Well, my experience with Service Champions has been very positive. We have to have a good working air conditioning system in this house. I have a special needs adult child, and having a cool house is not an option. You have to have it. So through trial and error, I've landed with Service Champions, and I'm very, very happy. Well, they're delivering a cool house. Whether it's the equipment itself, the maintenance, the reliability, I know that what I'm paying for is a cool house. I got one. When I call Service Champions, a human being picks up the phone, and they have quick access to my information, so they come up to speed real quick on when they've been out last, what I probably need, when my warranty work needs to be done, and and often I'll talk to a familiar person, so it's very professional and very effective. When a Service Champion person comes to our home, they're professional, they're polite, and they project a trust immediately with the way they present themselves. Well, our house benefits from the rewards program with the continuity that in the summer you're going to get service, in the winter you're going to get service, so your system's going to be working well, proactively. And so when you really need it in the summer, it's 100 degrees out, your house, walk in your house is cool and predictable. Well, I do recommend friends and family Service Champions. We have neighbors here that because of my good experiences, I've given them the name, and they're using Service Champions as well. Well, I just think when you find a good company that's going to deliver what they say they're going to deliver, they're respectful, they're kind, and they come through with what I'm asking for, is a reliable system. And between the warranty, the service contract, and the way it's delivered professionally, I'm getting what I want.